Ow! Get off!
No way! I saw it first.
Not a chance. I saw it first.
But
Stormy, Toby, come here at once. Now, kittens, what is all the fussing about?
Mama, Stormy stole my toy.
I did not.
Did too.
Did not.
Did too. Did too.
Hush now. That'll do. Go away, Porridge. I don't want to play. I'm tired.
Duh, you're always tired. Come on, Stickers, I want to play. And the boys are too stupid to play proper games with.
I am not stupid.
Maybe not, but you sure are smelly.
Hey!
That's us, our family. My name's Stormy, or Captain Stormy to you guys. I live here with my mama, my brother Toby, and my lazy sisters Porridge and Stickers. And this is our life, this small pen. I've never seen the outside before, but Mama says it's dangerous, and full of wild savage monsters called humans. Mama says they're giants and that they only walk on 2 legs. Anyway, that's what Mama says. I'm not sure if I believe her. She tells us to keep away from the human who feeds us. He doesn't look evil, or like a monster. Surely he's just the same as us.
Gotcha! You are now going to be eaten by the mighty hunter Jasmine. All toys will feel my wrath. Sometimes I wish I had someone to play with. I mean, I can't complain. I'm fed and watered here, and I have somewhere warm to sleep. But since the new baby came, it's like I don't exist anymore. Ooh, maybe someone has come to play with me after all.
Master's up at last. I was starting to get worried. He's so old now, and sometimes I'm afraid he might get hurt. I remember when the lady was here. Back then, he would always take me for walks with her. I remember I was a present for her on her birthday. She said I always looked so cute in a bow. I miss her a lot, and I know Master does too. I wonder if one day I'll ever see her again. Oh, I'd love to be petted again, to go for a long walk by the beach and chase the ducks at the pond. Those were the best days. Could it be? He has my leash at last! He does love me, he really does!
What's going on?
Stormy, stop him! He's coming closer!
Don't be scared. We'll think of a way out of this.
No! Not my Toby! Toby! Stickers! My baby! Talk to Mommy! Talk to Mommy! Tell me you're okay!
What is this place? Why is it so dark? Hello? Hello? Is anyone there?
Ow! Master, that hurts! Please open the door, I'm stuck! We can't walk like this!